Okay, I've been meaning to make this video forever. It's basically how to start or remote start your Ford vehicle. Virtually all modern Fords are the same way. First thing you need to do is with your remote control, press the lock and then press the center button that has a 2X twice. And I waited too long, so I'm going to do it again. Lock. And that's it. If you wait too long between hitting lock and this, it won't work. But there you go. That's what you do. 30-second tutorial how to remote start virtually every modern Ford car in the world. Thanks for watching.